Learning English is an enriching journey that not only opens doors to new opportunities but also enhances your understanding of diverse cultures and ideas. The process of mastering a new language involves commitment, creativity, and a willingness to step outside your comfort zone. As you embark on this path, it's essential to explore a variety of techniques and approaches that can make your learning experience more effective and enjoyable. One of the most powerful aspects of language learning is the concept of context. When learning new vocabulary or grammar structures, it's helpful to see them used in context. This can be achieved through extensive reading. Books, articles, and blogs in English expose you to the language in various forms, styles, and contexts. As you read, you'll encounter how words and phrases are used in real-life situations, which can help reinforce their meanings and appropriate usage. Consider reading a mix of fiction and non-fiction to expose yourself to different writing styles and vocabularies. You might find that novels enhance your understanding of conversational language, while non-fiction can familiarize you with academic or professional jargon. Joining online forums or discussion groups related to your interests can also provide practical experience. Engaging in conversations about topics you are passionate about allows you to practice using vocabulary and phrases relevant to those subjects. Platforms like Reddit or specialized forums offer opportunities to discuss various topics, share opinions, and ask questions. These interactions not only improve your writing skills but also enable you to engage in meaningful discussions with others who share your interests. Listening to music in English can be both enjoyable and educational. Choose songs from genres you love and analyze the lyrics. Try to understand the meaning behind the words and how they relate to the music. You can even create a playlist of your favorite English songs and use it as a background for your study sessions. By connecting language learning with your personal interests, you'll find it easier to stay motivated. Singing along with the lyrics can also enhance your pronunciation and rhythm, allowing you to internalize the language in a fun way. In addition to traditional learning methods, consider exploring immersive experiences that engage all your senses. Cooking is a fantastic way to incorporate English into your daily life. Follow English language recipes and narrate the cooking process in English. As you measure ingredients and follow steps, you'll reinforce your vocabulary related to cooking and food. This hands-on approach helps solidify your learning in a tangible context, making it more memorable. As you grow more confident in your language skills, challenge yourself with more complex tasks. Writing essays or opinion pieces about topics that interest you can enhance your ability to articulate your thoughts in English. Start with a topic you're passionate about and write a short piece, focusing on structure, clarity, and coherence. Over time, seek feedback from peers or teachers who can provide constructive criticism. This practice not only improves your writing but also encourages critical thinking as you learn to present and defend your ideas. Engaging with visual media, such as documentaries or educational YouTube channels, can further enhance your language learning. These platforms often present information in an engaging and accessible manner, allowing you to absorb content while honing your language skills. Choose channels that align with your interests, whether it's science, history, or travel. Taking notes while watching can help reinforce your understanding and create a valuable resource for future reference. Participating in community events or workshops that require English communication can significantly boost your confidence. Many cities offer cultural events, workshops, or language exchange programs where you can practice English in a friendly environment. By interacting with others, you'll gain real-world experience that will deepen your understanding of conversational English. These opportunities also allow you to network with individuals who may share similar interests or career goals, potentially opening doors for future collaborations or friendships. As you continue your language journey, consider utilizing technology to your advantage. There are numerous language learning apps that provide interactive exercises, vocabulary games, and speaking practice. Many of these apps utilize gamification, turning language learning into an enjoyable experience. Explore options like Anki for flashcards, Tandem for language exchange, or HelloTalk for chatting with native speakers. Integrating these tools into your daily routine can make learning feel less daunting and more engaging. Additionally, maintaining a consistent study routine is crucial for language retention. Try to set aside a specific time each day dedicated to English practice. This could include a combination of reading, writing, speaking, and listening activities. Consistency helps reinforce what you've learned and builds a strong foundation for future learning. Even if you can only dedicate a short amount of time each day, the cumulative effect of regular practice can lead to significant improvements over time. Creating a supportive learning environment is another key factor in your success. Surround yourself with individuals who share your language goals or who are also learning English. This sense of community can foster motivation and accountability. You can set up study groups where you practice speaking, share resources, and encourage each other along the way. Online platforms and social media groups focused on language learning can help connect you with others who are on a similar journey. Understanding the cultural nuances of the English language is essential for effective communication. Language is deeply intertwined with culture, and recognizing idiomatic expressions, colloquialisms, and cultural references can enhance your understanding of the language. Watching documentaries or reading literature from English-speaking countries can provide insights into cultural norms and values. This knowledge will not only enrich your language skills but also allow you to connect more meaningfully with native speakers. Incorporating a variety of learning styles can make your language study more dynamic. Some people are visual learners, while others may benefit from auditory or kinesthetic learning. Experiment with different methods to find what resonates with you. For instance, if you learn better visually, consider using mind maps to organize vocabulary or grammar concepts. If you're an auditory learner, try recording yourself reading aloud and listening to the playback. Kinesthetic learners may find success in role-playing scenarios or using flashcards for active engagement. Exploring different English accents and dialects can also broaden your understanding of the language. English is spoken in various forms around the world, each with its unique characteristics. Listening to speakers from different regions can help you become familiar with diverse pronunciations and expressions. You might choose to follow podcasts, watch films, or listen to audiobooks from various English-speaking countries to immerse yourself in the variety of the language. Incorporating mindfulness into your language learning can also yield positive results. Take moments to reflect on what you've learned, how far you've come, and what challenges you still face. This self-awareness can help you adjust your learning strategies and maintain a balanced perspective. Mindfulness techniques, such as deep breathing or visualization, can also reduce anxiety associated with speaking or writing in English. When faced with challenging situations, such as giving a presentation or having a conversation, grounding yourself through mindfulness can enhance your confidence and clarity of thought. Establishing a feedback loop is essential for continuous improvement. Regularly seek constructive criticism on your speaking and writing skills. This could come from teachers, language partners, or native speakers. Understanding where you excel and where you need to focus can help you create a more targeted learning approach. Additionally, don't hesitate to ask questions when you don't understand something. Cultivating a curious mindset will encourage you to seek out new knowledge and explore the language more deeply. Creating a personal study plan can provide you with structure and direction. Identify your language goals and break them down into smaller, achievable milestones. For instance, if you aim to enhance your speaking skills, set specific targets, such as participating in a conversation group once a week or delivering a short presentation in English. Regularly review your progress and adjust your plan as necessary. This adaptive approach will keep you motivated and help you stay aligned with your goals. As you progress, consider branching out into specialized English resources that align with your interests or career aspirations. If you're in a professional field, seek materials that focus on industry-specific terminology and communication styles. This targeted learning not only enhances your vocabulary but also equips you with the skills necessary for success in your chosen field. You may also consider taking courses that focus on specific skills, such as business English, academic writing, or technical communication. Participating in language challenges or competitions can add an element of fun and motivation to your learning. Many online platforms host language challenges, where participants commit to completing specific tasks, such as writing a certain number of words each day or speaking for a set amount of time. These challenges foster a sense of community among learners and can push you to step outside your comfort zone. Celebrating your achievements, whether big or small, can create a positive reinforcement loop that encourages continued growth. Utilizing multimedia resources is another effective way to diversify your learning experience. Explore English language documentaries, TED Talks, and educational videos that capture your interests. This exposure not only enhances your listening comprehension but also provides valuable insights into various topics. Take notes while watching to reinforce your understanding and create a resource for future reference. Engaging with multimedia content can make learning feel more dynamic and relatable. Engaging with English language social media is another way to immerse yourself in the language. Follow accounts that align with your interests, whether they focus on travel, cooking, fashion, or technology. Engaging with the content by liking, sharing, or commenting on posts can enhance your reading and writing skills in a fun and informal setting. Social media platforms also provide a wealth of multimedia content, such as videos and memes, which can be both entertaining and educational. As you progress, consider keeping a multimedia language journal. This can include not only written reflections on your day but also drawings, collages, or audio recordings of your thoughts. Use your journal to document new vocabulary, interesting phrases, or cultural observations you encounter during your learning journey. Over time, this personalized journal will become a resource you can revisit to track your progress and remind yourself of the experiences that shaped your language learning. Exploring English language media that challenges your critical thinking skills can be immensely beneficial. This could involve reading opinion pieces, watching debates, or listening to interviews. As you consume this content, practice summarizing what you've learned and forming your own opinions. This exercise will not only enhance your comprehension but also encourage you to articulate your thoughts in English. Engaging with complex material can prepare you for more advanced discussions and deepen your understanding of the language. Consider using online resources specifically designed for English language learners. Websites like English Club, BBC Learning English, or Duolingo offer a variety of exercises, quizzes, and videos tailored to different proficiency levels. These platforms provide a structured approach to learning and often include opportunities for interactive practice. Incorporating these resources into your routine can complement your studies and provide valuable practice. As you delve deeper into English, try exploring literature in different genres. Reading poetry, for example, can enhance your appreciation of language and rhythm while exposing you to different styles of expression. Analyzing poems can also improve your critical thinking skills, as you interpret meaning and explore themes. Similarly, engaging with plays or short stories can help you grasp dialogue and character development, further enriching your understanding of conversational English. If you have access to native speakers, consider engaging in discussions about topics that interest you. This not only improves your speaking skills but also exposes you to colloquial language and idiomatic expressions. Engaging in debates or discussions can help you articulate your thoughts more clearly and learn how to express opinions effectively. Additionally, seeking out opportunities for public speaking can enhance your confidence in using English in front of an audience. Building a routine that incorporates regular speaking practice is essential for improving fluency. If you have language exchange partners, try to schedule regular sessions where you focus on conversation. This consistent practice helps build confidence and reinforces what you've learned. If you don't have a partner, consider talking to yourself in English. This may feel odd at first, but narrating your thoughts or describing your day aloud can help reinforce your vocabulary and improve your fluency. Participating in workshops or courses focused on specific skills can also enhance your language proficiency. Look for classes that emphasize speaking, writing, or listening skills. Many language schools and community centers offer workshops tailored to different aspects of language learning. Engaging in structured learning can provide you with targeted feedback and guidance from instructors who can help you refine your skills. As you continue to learn, remember to celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Acknowledge the achievements you've made along the way, whether it's mastering a new grammar rule, having a successful conversation, or completing a challenging reading assignment. Celebrating these milestones not only boosts your motivation but also reinforces your commitment to continued learning. Networking with individuals in your field of interest can also enhance your language skills while expanding your professional opportunities. Attend conferences, seminars, or networking events where English is spoken. Engaging with professionals in your area allows you to practice using language in a real-world context while building connections that may benefit your career. Don't hesitate to introduce yourself, ask questions, and engage in discussions. These interactions will reinforce your language skills while helping you navigate professional environments more confidently. Exploring cultural aspects of English-speaking countries can further enrich your learning experience. Attend cultural events, watch documentaries about history and traditions, or explore cuisine from English-speaking nations. Understanding cultural nuances can deepen your appreciation for the language and enhance your ability to communicate effectively. Additionally, participating in cultural exchanges or programs can provide opportunities to practice your English in meaningful ways. As you navigate the complexities of language learning, remember that everyone's journey is unique. Embrace your progress and challenges, and don't compare yourself to others. Focus on your individual goals and growth. Surround yourself with supportive individuals who understand the journey and can offer encouragement along the way. Building a strong support network can help you stay motivated and inspired throughout your learning experience. Ultimately, the journey of learning English is a multifaceted and dynamic experience. It requires dedication, creativity, and an openness to explore new avenues of learning. By immersing yourself in the language, engaging with diverse resources, and practicing regularly, you can build a solid foundation for language proficiency. Embrace the challenges, celebrate your victories, and remember that the path to fluency is a continuous journey filled with discovery and growth. Your language learning experience can be a rewarding adventure that transcends the mere acquisition of words and grammar rules. It's about connecting with people, understanding cultures, and expanding your horizons. As you embark on this journey, cultivate a sense of curiosity and a willingness to embrace new experiences. Allow your passion for learning to guide you, and remember that every step you take brings you closer to achieving your goals. Stay persistent, remain engaged, and cherish the progress you make along the way. Through your dedication and enthusiasm, you'll not only become proficient in English but also gain a deeper understanding of the world around you.